This is the parallel and series actuator configuration calculator, which determines the total force and current requirements when connecting multiple actuators together. Let's start with the configuration type drop-down menu. You can select either parallel configuration or series configuration. For this demonstration, I'll use parallel configuration. Next, we have 4 input fields. First is number of actuators, where you enter how many actuators you're connecting. Individual force in pounds or newtons is where you input the force rating of each actuator. Individual current in amps is the current draw of a single actuator. Finally, voltage in volts is your system voltage. Once you click Calculate Configuration, the calculator processes your inputs and displays the results below. In a parallel configuration, the total force output equals the sum of all individual actuator forces, while the total current draw also adds up. This helps you determine if your power supply can handle the combined current load and whether the total force meets your application requirements. The calculator instantly shows you these critical values so you can properly size your system components. This tool saves you from manual calculations and prevents costly sizing errors. Find the link in the description below.